Every day we learn something new about the world, about ourselves, about each other. Our mission is to transform how technology is used in schools. It's not just about equipping everyone with the right tools, it's about giving everyone the opportunity for a world-class education. We believe that with an open mind, anything is possible. Not only is this true for us, it's true for the schools and children whose lives we're helping to change. Frog is not just a product or a company, we're a whole community, of which thousands of schools are part of. We're on a journey through education together, and like a family, we support and encourage one another to realise our full potential. We've been listening and learning for more than 15 years. We're experts who really understand education. We want to give every teacher, student and parent the freedom and flexibility to shape the world around them, to explore, connect, create and ultimately enjoy learning. When there are challenges, we overcome them together. When there are successes, we celebrate them. We're building technology to understand every student, from their interests and learning styles to strengths and weaknesses in each subject. We want you to be able to guide students intelligently and ensure that everyone involved in a child's education is given the right information and tools at exactly the right time in their learning journey. With this, we're truly creating a classroom without walls or barriers so that possibilities are limitless. You can go wherever your focus, passion or imagination takes you. Collectively, we can make a real difference in the world, with teachers empowered, students engaged and knowledge shared in ways that only new technology can make possible. 12 million students worldwide are learning something new and exciting with Frog, and so are we, every day.